This is Kevin Stewart, District Sales Manager, Performance Optimization with Winfield United. Today I'm at the Washington answer plot looking at the nitrogen management plot. Lots of cool things to see on what we're doing for nitrogen management. As you can look through the different trials, there's 8 different trials. There's a pretty substantial difference as we look at the hybrid performance in these trials. In the first treatment we have, it's 300 pounds of nitrogen with urea at planting and 100 pounds of AMS per acre. And you can see the corn is doing quite well. Now as we look at treatment 2, we split that application of nitrogen as well and continued with the AMS at planting. Once again, looks pretty good. Now as we go to treatment 3, and the hybrid we have in this trial is 5290 planted at 36,000 population. Here we've pulled our urea back to what the field forecasting tool recommends, as well as the 100 pounds per acre of AMS. And once again, as you look at the corn, it's still doing quite well. Now with treatment 4, the only urea we put on was with field forecasting tool recommendation at V5, so it didn't quite get the head start that the other corn plants got, and you can certainly see the difference. Now with treatment 5, we're starting to cut back our urea to 100 pounds of N per acre, and then adding a stabilizer in with it. As you can see, the corn is starting to deteriorate as we do the lower levels of nitrogen. Now we're at that same 100 pounds of nitrogen with Anvil at 1.5 quart per ton. Treatment 7 is our control, where we have only urea at 100 pounds per acre of nitrogen at planting, and you can see that the stabilizer at 100 pounds had a significant positive impact as compared to with urea with no stabilizer. Finally, we have treatment 8. We have urea at 100 pounds of nitrogen per acre. This time we've got both 37 fluid ounces of Instinct and 1.5 quart per ton of Anvil to give both above and below ground protection. We certainly saw a result from that. It'll be interesting to see what our ear counts come out to, but really some pretty good stuff coming out of the Washington answer plot. Give one of your district sales managers a call if you'd like to come out and take a look.